Have you ever wondered how modern 3D websites with smooth animations are made? In this video, I'll show you how to create a 3D animated website using Figma and Dora, with no code at all. We'll start with Dora.run login, import a Figma design, add free 3D models, and finally run the Dora prototype. This tutorial is perfect for UIUX designers, beginners, and anyone exploring interactive web design. So let's get started. First, let's understand Dora.run basics and how to log in. Open your browser and go to Dora.run. This is the Dora website, where we can create interactive and 3D animated websites without coding. Now click on the login button. You can log in using Google or with your email ID. I'm going to continue with Google because it's fast and easy. After login, you may see a few basic steps like choosing your role or your experience level. Just select the simple options and continue. Now, we are inside the Dora dashboard. This is the main area where all your projects will appear. On the top right corner, you'll see a New Project button. Click on it to start a new project. This is your project page. From here, you can change the project title and start building your website. In the next step, we'll bring our Figma design into Dora. Now let's bring our Figma design into Dora. I've already designed one website page in Figma. First, select the main page or frame. Here you can see the width and height of the website design. Now switch to Dora. Set the height in Dora according to the height of the website in Figma, so both match properly. This helps keep the layout clean. Now go back to Figma. Click on Resources, search for Figma to Dora plugin, and open it. Click on Run, then click on Copy to Clipboard. This will copy your selected Figma page. Now open Dora again. Right-click and paste, or simply press Ctrl+V. After a few seconds, all the Figma layers will be uploaded into Dora. Now you may need to rearrange the design a little, like spacing, alignment, or layers, which is totally normal. And that's it. Our Figma design is now inside Dora. Now it's time to add the 3D model. Now let's find a free and easy 3D model. Open Google and search for Sketchfab. This is one of the best websites to find 3D models. Once the website opens, you can easily search for any model you want. For my design, I want an Iron Man 3D model. So I'll search for Iron Man here. You'll see many 3D models. Choose the one that fits your design. This model looks perfect for my website. Now let's download it. Before downloading, make sure the model is free to use. Click on Download and select the GLB file format. GLB works best with Dora. Once the download is complete, we're ready to use this 3D model in Dora. In the next step, we'll add this 3D model to our Dora project and run the prototype. Now let's set the 3D model inside our design. On the top left corner, click on the cube icon. This is the 3D object tool. Drag this cube and drop it into the canvas. Now select the cube and move it into the hero section of our design, so it stands out. Make sure the 3D model stays on top of all layers, so it is clearly visible. Now click on the Import 3D Model button. Select the 3D model file we downloaded earlier. Once the model is loaded, you can easily resize it change its height, and adjust it in 3D space. You can control the size using X, Y, and Z values. This helps you place the model perfectly inside the design. Now select the 3D model and connect it with the viewport. Always remember to select Viewport, Top. Next, select the default camera. Open the keyframe panel. At the starting position, keep the handle at 0 and add the first keyframe. Now move the handle to 37 and add a second keyframe. Here, slightly adjust the model using click and drag, or change values from the right panel. Next, move the handle to 75. Add another keyframe and tweak the model again. Then move the handle to 124. Add one more keyframe and adjust the model. In the same way, set the model movement till the end of the website. Now let's see the result. Click on the play button in the top right corner. Wow, it looks fantastic. This is how you set and animate a 3D model inside your Dora design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment box. See you in my next video.